Hello friends. Pliers here once again and maybe the last time. I am suffering from major respiratory depressive disorder. The National Security Agency would like to thank all of you for your courage and cooperation in saving those lives and securing the future. Goodbye and please tell Quit Blaster the end game will commence once again shortly.
Please help us, CIA.
I am eating pizza. I really hope I am getting better.
I'm done eating pizza. I'm done eating pizza.
That is good. Pliers. Could you maybe possibly...
Hello female 01. I have finally gotten rid of my major respiratory depressive disorder. We need to move quickly to the in order to talk to the peasants of the United States of America.
Well, today, we are going to talk about the death of our fellow friend Vitouliss. He died today because he took an overdose of cocaine, as the police were attempting to capture him for intelligence. 2 packets of cocaine and a pack of beer were also taken from the scene. Please send your messages in the comment section somewhere.
That is all you needed to hear from the NSA. I hope you enjoyed and remember you can do it. Never give up. Thank you viewers and have a nice day.